Are you looking for a reliable and efficient dumpster rental in Swansboro, North Carolina? Look no further than Island Trash. Whether it's a home renovation, a big event, or a thorough cleanup, we've got you covered with top-quality dumpster rentals. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit any project, big or small. From home cleanouts to significant renovations, Island Trash has the perfect dumpster. Our dedicated customer service team is always here to help you choose the right dumpster and answer any questions. With prompt delivery and pickup, Island Trash ensures your project stays on track without any delays. Committed to sustainability, we follow all local waste disposal regulations and promote recycling wherever possible. We maintain and clean our dumpsters regularly to ensure you get a clean, ready-to-use container for your project. Safety is our top priority. Our team follows strict safety protocols to protect you and your property during the entire rental period. Join our many satisfied customers in Swansboro who trust Island Trash for reliable and eco-friendly dumpster rentals. Ready to experience the difference? Call us at 252-241-0879 or visit www.islandtrashcontainers.com. Dumpster Rental Swansboro to book your dumpster today. Island Trash, your trusted partner for all your waste management needs.